يا رب بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما مضى يا واسع الكرم.
It's in Bukhari, but it's weak. But you're going to say, hold up, Rabbi Imam, that's confusing. Because Bukhari is all authentic. And I'll say, yes, Bukhari is all authentic. Then you're going to say, well, then it doesn't make sense. Why is there a weak hadith in Bukhari? You see, Imam Bukhari, if you go to his introduction of his book, his muqaddimah, he explains the conditions for which he brings an authentic hadith. He says, I'm going to bring you authentic hadith only in this book, and he tells you, here are my conditions.
Imam Bukhari mentions this in his Sahih. He said, Imam Bukhari in his Muqaddimah, Karitham knows why. I'd laugh loud, but I've got no voice left. Imam Bukhari mentioned in his Muqaddimah, Imran, ulama here, where's Bukhari's Muqaddimah? Does Bukhari have a Muqaddimah? Maulana, does Bukhari have a Muqaddimah? Let me open up Bukhari Sharif for you, Imran. I think your scholars just gave you a script to read off. Allah knows best, without any mock. This copy, Abu Abdullah al-Bukhari, Nasabahu wa Miladuhu, his tarjuma, his biography. Oh, there's no muqaddimah. Imran, my challenge to you, find me Bukhari's muqaddimah. Find me. I promise you'll never find me.
هو الحبيب الذي ترجى شفاعته لكل هول من الأهوال